So hey, welcome back guys, this is the Tech and Gaming YouTube channel. So we're going to talk about how to edit fast on Wondershare Filmora. So let's get started.
You were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all.
So if you've watched my previous videos and you want to edit fast on Wondershare Filmora, there are 5 tips I can give. So let's get started. So to save most of the time, make a folder and have all the media assets you need in that folder. So when you're importing in Filmora, you do not have to search for it and you can import it right away. This is what I mainly do, is make a folder with a project name and include all the assets, the videos, pictures, voiceovers, background music, intro, outro, and then import it to Filmora without having to forget and later include the assets. Number 2. While editing voiceovers, expand the length of the timeline and edit the voiceovers. You can change the color of the voiceovers where you require a specific video or photo attached. I actually use this and this saves a lot of time, and I do not have to search for that audio part where I need to attach that specific asset. So Filmora has made it a lot easier by changing the color of the media track so I can easily find it, and even the marker. Number 3. In Filmora, at times I face huge difficulties while adding a picture or video at the back of the other existing footage because it shifts and kind of moves out of places whenever I need. So in this case, make another image or video track and lock the other tracks so that they do not move. This helps me in organizing quickly and even edit a lot faster. Number 4. When you want to add a specific transition for all the video and assets, you can select all the media files and then go to transitions and then tap apply on it. It will help by adding the transitions come into place automatically, and you can also select your desired photo or videos by tapping apply so that it gets applied on the desired photo or video you want to. Number 5. Always save your file before you export it. Many times after I export the Filmora render engine, it fails and crashes. So I lose most of my work, and I also have to start from right in the beginning, and I do not have the auto save on. So go to preferences, go to save, and then tap on back up my project and then tap on every 1 minute so that you get 90% of your work if Filmora crashes. And then you can even search for the latest backup in the documents of my computer and select the backup to load most of your project edit even if you have not saved it. And a quick last tip we can give, that if you want to export your file faster, then close all the background apps like Chrome and other applications and have your graphics driver updated. This will result in faster video exports in Filmora. So this is what we have for today guys. I hope you learned something new in Filmora, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe Tech and Gaming. Thank you.